When choosing whether to save or invest, the answer largely depends on your goals and your financial situation. Saving is putting money aside, bit by bit. You may save up to pay for something specific, like a holiday, a deposit on a home, or to cover any emergencies that might crop up like a broken boiler. Saving usually means putting your money into cash products, such as a savings account in a bank or building society. Investing is taking some of your money and trying to make it grow by buying things you think will increase in value. For example, you might invest in stocks, property, or shares in a fund. People often save to set up an emergency fund. The general rule is to have 3 months' worth of living expenses saved up in an instant access savings account. This should include rent, food, school fees, and any other essential outgoings. Your emergency fund means you have some financial security if something goes wrong. Now that you've got an emergency fund, it's a good idea to save up at least 10% of your earnings each month, or as much as you can afford. Set yourself savings goals and put away enough to buy what you want. Now you can also think about investing your money. The only time you shouldn't save or invest is if there are more important things you need to do with your money, for example, getting your debts under control.